Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Snapchat device ban on your iPhone or Android. So first of all, the first thing that you need to keep in mind is your application is up to date. If not, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat and simply make sure that you are using an up-to-date application. The next step is change date and time settings. Uninstall your Snapchat first of all. Tap and hold on your Snapchat and simply uninstall. Once you do so, restart your device and after that go to your settings, and once you are in settings, you need to go for general and go for date and time. Once you are in, make sure that it is set to automatic. So the next step is contact Snapchat support. If the ban is not lifted after 24 hours, you can go to the Snapchat support and find the link that unlocks your Snapchat account. You need to follow through the process of submitting your details like your username, your email address, and the reason and description as well. And at the end, it is on Snapchat whether they are going to unblock your Snapchat or so. Hope this helped. This is how you can fix Snapchat device ban.